I'm Ben Coates with Coates Homes. Welcome to my house.
A box is the least expensive thing we could do, but you cannot have a dark house. And it is not because of the light switch. It is because of how we place the windows. I like to tell people letter shapes. This house is basically a small H shape. U's, C's, E's, T's, all those. And you can see how our light can really penetrate deep in the house.
You taught me the fact that rooms need to have 3 sides of light. And people would walk into this room, which has that light composition and makeup, and they might not be able to articulate, oh, it's because this room has 3 sides of light, but they feel it.
Absolutely. I use the word metaphysics, the realm beyond just the physical. It's the metaphysics of a space. They just feel it. Our job as architects is to capture that.